covering because that was pretty disturbed water. I only need a little bit to get me through the next day or two, so I'm not filling it up all the way, but I did at least get it halfway full. So now, I'll keep the thing on. I need to hurry up and find a campground before it gets too dark because the sun has definitely gone behind that mountain. Home on the range. I am so happy to finally be at camp. This has been a very, very long day. Did I leave you? Did I go too far away? Okay, I've got friends coming tonight, so I'm gonna set up some lights so that they can see, and they're not gonna be arriving until super late, so I don't wanna just be sitting in the dark, so I'm gonna set up some lights. I hate when this happens. No. These lights are so sensitive. Okay, I think it's coming undone. Gosh, this is a long string of lights. I need a hook right here. Get a carabiner. Think I can get a carabiner? Do I have any extra carabiners anywhere? For the time being. This isn't a very heavy duty carabiner. I hope it can handle it. Rookie mistake! Forgot to hook up the... Okay. Let's see if this carabiner can handle it. Oh, you guys go play. You guys go play. I'm already covered in dog hair. Sit. Good boy. Come here. Okay. So much for trying to do a vlog. Well, I guess everybody wants to hang out with me. At least my dogs like me. I'm the cool kid to them. Alright. So, I am covered in dog hair. That's okay. I'm always covered in dog hair. I'm here at this amazing place with 2 bars of Verizon just down the street from a major trailhead we might try to do that with the dogs tomorrow. So my friend Todd is coming to visit and I'm super excited. Him and his friend, I've never met his friend before, so we'll do introductions. My friend Todd is an ultra runner. He has ran several ultra marathons, and I think he's planning to do a 200 miler soon, but I know he's done several 100s, 50s, and so on. He is a true inspiration for the running community, especially myself. I was training for my first 100 miler before COVID hit, and then COVID hit and I just went downhill from there. Shame on me. I do want to get back into the running thing though, and Todd, like I said, is a true inspiration. Unfortunately, I'm having a heel flare-up right now, so though mentally I'm ready to start running again, physically my heel is saying, hold up just a minute. But anyways, he is coming here and we're just outside of Leadville. But yeah, I'm just sitting here debating on what I want to do for dinner. I'm not really wanting to set up camp completely because I don't know that I'm going to be staying here very long. It kind of just depends on what Todd and his friends are doing this weekend. And I just really have to get through the next week because I'm getting work done on the 4Runner the week after, and my mom's flying in to Denver and I'm picking her up and we're gonna hang out for a few days, and I'm super excited. I know I just saw my mom, but I missed her and it was really hard saying goodbye, so it's a nice little surprise last minute trip while my 4Runner is in the shop getting a complete makeover. It has been the longest 4 weeks. Okay, it's only been 3, but it's like this is the longest 3 weeks to 4 weeks of my life, because I have made all of the purchases and all of the items that I have purchased are in the store ready to go. I'm just waiting on installation, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Chalupa, my 4Runner, is going to look really cool when it's all said and done. And guess who gets to see it? My mama. She gets to see it in person instead of waiting until Christmas when I go out to visit them in California. So big things are happening to Chalupa here soon, so I'm just having to get through the next week, and then I pick up my mom the following weekend, and then we're gonna go on a little weekend getaway and then drop the car off for a few days while it gets work done. So I think since I'm not exactly hungry right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and drink my beer for a little bit and unwind from this crazy week that it's been. So I'm gonna be super lazy tonight because, like I said earlier, I just don't want to pull everything out. So I think what I'm gonna do is make this vegan ramen. I have no idea if it's any good or not, but it's made with organic ramen, so that's got to be something, right? But it's getting really cold now that the sun has gone behind the mountains, so I'm hoping that this warms up my soul. But first, I gotta refill the dirty water. Ooh, touching that water made my hands cold. I think I have a screw loose. Now we wait. Slight change of plans. My friends did not make it last night, but they are up in the town and we're gonna go meet each other and hang out. I'm not really sure what the day's gonna look like, but that is the plan. So I'm gonna head up to Leadville and meet up with my friends. Say hi.
What's up?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Todd. How y'all? This is a fun trip. First trip in Colorado.
Love.
Oh yeah.
As we're out of breath. Post hauling. Ah! Do you want to be on my video? Sure. All right, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Abe.
Hey.
How are you?
This is making us all look bad here.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you sledding down?
Yeah, they look cool. It's a cord.
I can't do it now. Oh my gosh, okay, so it's like Halloween here and Freddy freaking Krueger just walked by my car. No, thank you. No, no, no. Anyway, we just got Chinese. We're gonna go find a place to park to watch this incredible sunset. See you in a bit. Eat our Chinese food.
Chinese.